So here I'm combining data frames. Combine contents of data frames. So see here we have a dictionary, and in dictionary we have keys like these keys are Ami and Raz, and corresponding to S name, corresponding to this key S name, we have equivalent number of marks. So MKS is another field, and its values are 10 and 9. So both the keys like S name and MKS are having fields like Ami, Raj, and MKS has the value like 10 and 9. Okay, so this is the complete dictionary. अगर हम इसका अगर data frame बनाते हैं, and if I omit index, then what happens in this case? 0 and 1 will be taken onto account, and Ami and Raj will be the column names. And below Ami and Raj, you'll find 10 and 9 marks. And indexes by default were 0 and 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. These will be the indexes. If I omit index and from here, but since we have deliberately taken index and given values like 5 and 6, so index values will be 5 and 6. So these are the locations, LOC. Okay, so when you print S1, when you print S1, so it will give you S name as MKS, sorry, S name as Ami and Raj, and these are the indexes which you have assigned 5 and 6. These are the index numbers 5 and 6, and marks are 10 and 9. So this is the complete data frame, and 5 and 6 are the log values in indexes. Okay, so here if you see ilog, then ilog will be 0 and 1, but log is 5 and 6. Now here I am going to modify the values, but j and cars, these two columns, uh, data items are not available in the existing data frame. That is why they will be added to the data frame D1. So here D2 is this is the next data frame which is having as name with J and Kaj, and MKS corresponding values are 7 and 8, and indexes are 7 and 8. So here see first data frame is having indexes 5 and 6, and D2 and the next data frame is having indexes 7 and 8. So if you print S2, you'll get this S name J and MKS 7, S name is cars, and marks are 8, and indexes we have mentioned 7 and 8. And in the first data frame we are having 5 and 6 indexes, and in next data frame we are having 7 and 8 indexes. And when you add these two, so in S, what is S? S is again a data frame, and data frame is having S1 yani ये data frame, and S2 yani this data frame, and both the data frames are added, means this data frame is appended to S1. So it will become the resultant data frame will be 5, 6, 7, and 8. So when you see this statement s is equal to s1 dot append s2. So in the bottom of s1 we are adding s2. So when you print s, you'll get 5 Ami marks 10, 6 Raj marks 9, 7 Jay marks 7, and 8 Kaj marks 8. So this way you can add, or the first data frame, and in the bottom of the first data frame, the second data frame will be appended or added. So the resultant data frame will be 5, 6, 7, 8 are the indexes, but ilog will be 0, 1, 2. Okay, now next. So here I have taken three columns, Ami, Raj, and Shiv, and corresponding to these columns we have the marks 21, 22, and 15, and we have creating sorry, I have uh, the data as d1. Now I'm going to create the data from this data d1. So I'll apply the command like s1 is equal to pd dot data frame, and this is the data which is here. And according to, if I omit index, then it will take 0, 1, 2. And but over here I am taking the indexes, and we have built the indexes like 101, 102, 103. So the data frame will be 101, 102, 103. These are the indexes. And when you say s1 is the data frame, now you are adding next marks. S1 is equal to mk2. Yeah, this was mk1. Now this is mk2. So we have 13, 25, and 22. These are the marks corresponding to mk2 column. And there is another column called tot, and this tot column is basically s1 mk1 and s1 mk2. So when you print s1, so this will give you this like s name, Amy, Raj and Che. So ये आपके कॉलम्स हो, कॉलम अगर अगर हम ये इंडेक्स नहीं लेते तो ये आपके इंडेक्स बन जाती, कॉलम इंडेक्स बन जाते। लेकिन चूंकि हमने कॉलम इंडेक्स मेंशन ही नहीं किया है और इंडेक्स भी मेंशन नहीं किया था और इंडेक्स को भी हमने डेलिबरेटली चेंज किया है, सो हियर so number of columns will be 3 like s name, mk1 and mk2. These are the columns, and corresponding to these columns they are the indexes 101, 102 and 103. Now mk1, this is another field, I mean key key of d1, I mean s1. So mk2, because here see d1 is what, d1 is s name and mk1. So these two columns are here, and third column we are going to add more because mk2 नाम से कोई भी कॉलम है ही नहीं। तो अगर आपने mk2 लिखा है तो दिस विल बी एडेड टू द एग्जिस्टिंग डेटा फ्रेम। अगर ये mk1 होता तो ये इसको यहाँ पर रिप्लेस करता, मानी मॉडिफाई होता। अगर हम यहाँ पर mk1 करते हैं तो ये 13, 25 जो है इनको सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देता। बट दिस इज द अनदर कॉलम दैट इज mk2 which is not the mk1, and that is why 13, 25 and 22 uh, are the values of mk2, and mk2 will be the new column. So that is why mk2 is here 13, 25 and 22, and another column tot, which is the sum of column S1 MK1 and S1 MK2, and this will give you, when you say print S1, the complete data frame will be printed like Amy, Raj and Shiv. 101, 102, 103 are the indexes. MK1, 21, 22, 15 and 22, sorry, MK2 is 13, 25, 22, and total of these two columns will be 20, 22 plus 25, 15 plus 22. So they'll be 34, 47, and 37. I think we should do it practically. Off, off, mic off. To Python notebook. So here in this data frame, we'll be sorting the data frame in descending order as per the marks. So the highest marks on top, and then lower, and then lowest. And that is why we have used sort values. So we'll be creating the data frame in Jupyter. Then I'll show the result. It takes time while loading and giving boredom. Until it loads. I'm telling you the next print statement, where S1 dot sort values total ascending is equal to false. Ascending is equal to false means we'll have to print the data in descending order of total. Okay. And while running the next statement, print s1 dot sort values, and on the field tot, it will be sorted in descending order, as ascending is equal to false. We have done. Name is sorting data frame. So import pandas as pd, and d1 is the data, as name, colon, एमी एंड जय है, एमी राज शिव, एमी Raj and Shiv. So this is your 3 rows. Then MKS1, it is, what are the values? 21, 22, 15. 21, 22 and 15. So this is D1, and उसके बाद हमने क्रिएट करना है डेटा फ्रेम S1 is equal to pd dot data frame d1 comma index is equal to, so indexes are 3, 101, 102, 103 are the indexes. So this data frame is created, and next एक डेटा फ्रेम और जिसमें कि हमें एक फील्ड ऐड करना है mk2 mks s1 and what are the values 13 25 22 13 25 22 and another field is s1 tot is equal to s1 mks1 plus s1 mks2 then print s1. So here this is the data frame. S name Amy Rajan Shiv 101, 102, 103. Marks 21, 22, 25, 13, 25, 22 and 34, 47 and 37. अब हमने क्या करना है, इसको आपने सॉर्ट करना है. सॉर्ट कैसे करें? s1 dot sort values dot comma ascending is equal to false.
सर डॉट इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में नहीं है.
So see, our indexes are changed, and this is in descending order of total. So 47, 37 and 34. And if I omit ascending is equal to, if I give ascending is equal to true, then it will be in ascending order of marks: 34, 37, and 47, 101, 103, 102. So this way we can add the fields, we can calculate the sum and sort the data frame. Which field you want to sort on, you have to mention that field along with the sort values. So s1 dot sort values and the field on which you are sorting, and ascending is equal to true means if you are sorting the this column on ascending order, since ascending is true, and if you revert it means if you change to if you change is to false, then it will be in descending order. So this is the output, the way you are producing the data frame. And now, so this is your data frame sorted in descending order. So 47, 37, 34, likewise. Next, slicing and Boolean indexing. So here you will have to see this. This vertical bar is for, actually this is pipe symbol which is above the enter key के ऊपर आपको ये मिलेगा. Then ampersand is meant for and this is tilde for not. So these operators can also be included while producing the boolean while inducting boolean indexing. So here we have taken two items, two columns like m and n. So a b c d e, this is the first column, and corresponding to this column there are five values: 10, 30, 20, 40, and 20. And using this we have created the data frame. Df is equal to pd dot data frame p. When you print it, print df2, df2. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. तो आप कहाँ से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं? 2 से, 2 onwards. So you will have to print 2 onwards all the values of both the columns, all the rows starting from 2 till and having columns m and n. So here on index number 2 there is a column C, D and E, and the values are 20, 40 and 20. So this is the output. Now here print df. What is df? It's a data frame. And n, you want n only. So n के केस में आप क्या करें? If greater than 40. So अगर जो 40 से बड़े होंगे वो तो आपको ट्रू देंगे, और जो 40 से छोटे होंगे वो आपको फॉल्स देंगे. Okay, so here we have applied a condition like dfn, n मतलब n column, this is n column. इस कॉलम में से इस कॉलम से जो 40 से अबव एंड इक्वल है वो आप उसका स्टेटस बताइए. सो 40 से अबव एंड इक्वल जो होगा वो तो देगा आपको ट्रू, और जो छोटे होंगे वो देंगे आपको फॉल्स. सो दिस इज द आउटपुट. बिकॉज इंडेक्स 0 पर वैल्यू है 10, इंडेक्स 1 पे वैल्यू है 30 विच इज लेस देन 40, इंडेक्स 2 पर वैल्यू है 20 which is less than 40, and that is why it gives false. But on index 3 this is equals to 40 and the condition is the column n should be greater than equals to 40, then it should give, because इस जगह पर कंडीशन आके ट्रू हो रही है और ट्रू होने के केस में आपको ये देगा ट्रू, and next value is 20 which is again less than 40, and that is why it is giving false. तो आपने केवल एन को लिया है और एन पे ही कंडीशन अप्लाई की है, तो इंडेक्स नंबर 3 पर इट विल गिव ट्रू और सब पर देगा फॉल्स. एंड हियर नेम will be n, and a column name is n, and the type of column is you want to ask is boolean, because you have applied greater equal, means this is boolean sign, greater equal, this is boolean sign. Similarly यहां पर आप ले रहे हैं m greater than b, m greater than b means आपको यहां पर c मिलने वाला है, और उसके साथ साथ जो मार्क्स हैं शुड नॉट बी इक्वल्स टू 40. एक तो आपको चाहिए b, b से आगे, और b से आगे जो 40 नहीं है, तो b से आगे जो 40 नहीं है वो d आपका नहीं है, एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज गिविंग C and E, D is missing, and the values are n, because हमने 40 वाले को इग्नोर किया, because this is for not. B से ऊपर यानी C से स्टार्ट होगा, और उसमें से भी जहां पर कॉलम n जो है उसकी वैल्यू 40 है, उसमें हमने नॉट लगा दिया है. सो जो 40 नहीं है उनको आप यहाँ पर सिलेक्ट करिए. सो दिस इज द वे हाउ यू कैन पुट द कंडीशन विद द डेटा फ्रेम. For multiple conditions, each must be grouped by using parentheses. देखिए यहाँ पर parentheses लगे हुए हैं. ये this is a condition and this is also a condition. Okay. यहाँ पर भी we are applying the condition where column S CLS is what? CLS is a data frame. CLS data frame के अंदर so ST जो column है it is having the marks less than 39. तो marks less than 30, then 2 से पहले के 2 से पहले की वैल्यूज 2 से पहले की वैल्यूज क्या होंगी? सो 2 से के पहले की वैल्यूज हो गई 6A 6B एंड सो ऑन. इसका मतलब मैंने इसमें जो है आपके वो नहीं लगाए हैं, जो डेटा है वो नहीं दिया. चलो हम यहाँ देख लेते हैं CL एंड ST. या इसी में कर लेते हैं. डेटा फ्रेम नेम C. C is the data of dictionary. C is equal to C is equal to yeah CL CL and ST. CL क्लासेस हैं आपकी 6A 6B 7th 7B. 6A 6B, 7th A, 7B, comma, second field is ST. Colon, इसके बाद हमें डेटा फ्रेम क्रिएट करना है. सो CLS इज इक्वल टू PD dot data frame dictionary is C, comma, index is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, and then we have to apply the condition. Slicing is print CLS colon 2. टू टू से पहले सो 0 1 2 तो 2 से पहले we have only two classes, two records, that is 6A and 6B, and their values are 40 and 38. नंबर वन. दूसरा हमारे पास क्या है कंडीशन. CLS ST less than 39. Print CLS just hold for a second. सलोनी सलोनी सजल, ये क्यों आवाज कर रहे हैं? ये चप्पल मार दूंगा, ये मर दूंगा. पापा अब नहीं करेंगे. CLS, and it should be in bracket. CL, ST less than 39. ST less than 39. What happened? What was the condition? Yeah, less than 39. So less than 39, 38 and 36 are less than 39. 36, 38. These two are less than 39. And similar way, another condition can be applied, like CLS, बिकॉज यहाँ पर हमने कंडीशंस कंबाइन करने हैं। तो कंडीशन का मतलब है जो 7B है या 6A है। ओके, सो CLS inside bracket again CLS, then parenthesis CLS CL7B. और और CLS bracket CLS CL bracket closed, sorry, bracket closed is equal to 6a. 6a square bracket, yeah, and closed, square bracket closed, and parenthesis. There are two parentheses, and here square bracket closed, and here is a parenthesis. कहाँ गड़बड़ हो रही है, चेक करिएगा. Here this is a square bracket, this is square bracket, दोनों close हो गए ये, and parenthesis ये एक parenthesis ये, and
सर
यहाँ
आपने CLS 2 बार दे रखा है. सेकंड में आओ सर, सेकंड में.
दो बार नहीं है.
नहीं है.
ओके, दो एक ही बार है, राइट. अभी भी गड़बड़ है बिकॉज एक स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट ज्यादा आ रहा है. This is square bracket of, see here, this is square bracket, शायद यही ज्यादा आ रहा है, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट ही ज्यादा आ रहा है, तुम बार बार लगा रहा है. CL अगर आपकी 7B या 6A है, ये अपना जो ऑपरेट लगा है पाइप साइन, ये और का है, तो अपने अपन को क्या करना था, CL 7B का है या CL 6A का है, वो हमने यहाँ पर लिस्ट करना था. सो CL 6A एंड CL 6B उसका आपको जो स्ट्रेंथ है वो 40 एंड 39 दोनों मिल रहे हैं। तो दिस वे यू कैन अप्लाई द कंडीशंस and perhaps this is the end of this thing. Yes. So यहाँ पर आपका जो पांडास है वो मॉडल्स खत्म हो जाता है और उसके बाद जो यहाँ पर शुरू होना है वो होना है डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन. So data visualization will be starting from tomorrow.